Hey guys, it's Tasha from One Big Happy Life on behalf of the Financial Diet, and this is the Lifestyle Fix brought to you by Retail Me Not. The Lifestyle Fix is all about helping you create the life that you want on any budget. The holiday season is my favorite time of year, and I love buying presents for my friends and family. I really try to find thoughtful and unexpected presents when I can, except for my dad, who always gets cologne and often the exact same bottle because it's his favorite. Sometimes you just gotta go with what you know is going to work. But without fail, there are always a few people who I tend to struggle over what to buy them every year. If you've searched Google like I have, you'll find recommendations from engravable everything to very questionable items like whiskey stones. And if you don't get why that's funny, I'll drop a link to a video down below that will help you out there. Gift guides are great, but rather than sticking one up on your dartboard and just going with whichever one you hit first, you want to make sure that the thing that you get is actually something that the person is going to use. So here's a list of practical gifts that will help you find a great gift no matter who it is that you're shopping for. Number 1, time with the person that they care about. You. Give the gift of spending time with you. This may come as a shock, but I can assure you that both your friends and family will appreciate getting to spend some extra time with you, especially around the holidays. You can look for great seasonal activities like attending a New Year's Eve party together, or one of my personal favorites, visiting a Christmas tree farm for rides, hot cider, and apple cider donuts. If you like to give gifts early, you can go holiday shopping together or attend some holiday parties. This gift can even be free, like going for a hike together or just hanging out at home playing board games, video games, or watching Netflix. All you have to do to make this gift land is add a special note about time being the most valuable thing on earth and suggest something that you know the person likes. Number 2, experiences. Studies show that one of the ways that you can actually buy happiness is to spend money on experiences. Studies also show that we derive more happiness from experiences than we do from acquiring material things. Gifting an experience is a great gift for anyone, but can be especially great for couples and families. Making decisions about events or activities can be overwhelming, which can lead us to putting off these activities that we actually really want to do. So taking care of all of the decision making can be the best gift ever. It can also have a chance of bringing the recipient more happiness than a material gift ever could, especially if you tag team this gift with gift number 1 and share in the experience with the person. What makes this present great is that it's perfectly customizable to the giver and the recipient. It can be dinner at a restaurant, concert tickets for their favorite band, I hear Queen is touring, or hot air ballooning. If you've never gone hot air ballooning, you should totally give it a try. I just did it in New Mexico and it was amazing. I'll drop a link to that video in a card up above and in the description box down below so you can check that out. One of the best parts about gifting experiences is that the budget is really flexible. You can spend $0 to go hiking in a national park or several hundred getting pampered all day at the spa. No matter your budget, gifting an experience has you covered. Number 3, hobby or favorite activity consumables. Do you know what knitting and World of Warcraft have in common besides hours of exhilarating entertainment? If you knit, you know what I'm talking about. Almost every activity involves either using something up or some kind of ongoing expense. For example, knitting requires yarn. Gaming has subscription fees. Numerous hobbies use glues or paints. Making YouTube videos requires camera lenses and memory cards. Hint, hint. All you need to know is the very basics about a person's hobby, and you can gift them something simple and spot on that you know that they will actually need. Number 4, travel. Finding the time to get away is sometimes easier said than done. Adding the research and the logistical planning of a trip can be all the reason that someone needs to put off traveling, even just for a night or a weekend. The good news is that you can help them out. Give them the gift of travel. You can choose to plan every detail and book it yourself for them, or leave the booking to them and use a group of gift cards like for hotels and airlines to cover the cost and leave the booking alone. You could even find a good travel agent to help them with the planning. The key to making this a great gift is to leverage any knowledge that you have about the person so that you can narrow down the type of travel that you're going to give them. Don't worry if you can't give someone a whole trip. Sometimes a gas card or some help with the hotel is all someone needs for them to pull the trigger on some great travel. Number 5, babysitting. Babysitting can be expensive. Where I live in the suburbs of Washington, D.C., the going rate for a high school student to watch my almost 3-year-old is $15 an hour. I was blown away when we first tried to hire someone and it was that expensive. I eventually lucked out with a fabulous neighbor whose daughter is super responsible and only charges $10. She is in middle school though. Babysitting for a friend is a great gift for a variety of reasons. It saves the both of you money while serving a great purpose. Speaking from personal experience as a busy working mom, it can be really hard to schedule a night out, especially when you have to worry about things like a babysitter canceling at the last minute because they had to study for a test. When you have a trusted friend watching your kids, you don't have to worry about that. Plus, having a trusted friend watch your kid puts a parent's mind at ease because they feel more comfortable about who they're leaving their bundle of joy with. You might be thinking that this only applies to friends with human children, but don't forget about dogs, cats, hamsters, snakes, fish, or any other pets. They all need some love too while their owners are away. Number 6, help around the house. A great free gift that anyone can use is a helping hand, especially tasks that they hate doing themselves. You can offer to do yard work, help with projects, do grocery shopping, or even regular cleaning. Or if you know that a friend is going to be moving soon, gift them the promise of helping them move when the time comes. As the old saying goes, many hands make light work. Your friends and family are sure to appreciate you lending a helping hand when they need it the most. Number 7, baked goods. Okay, just about everyone loves baked goods, and there are baked treats out there for people of all ways of eating, from gluten-free to keto. If you love to bake, and if the things that you bake actually taste good, this is the perfect present for you to give to your loved ones and friends. I love baking pound cake during the holidays to give to neighbors and to take to holiday parties. If you suck at baking, you can still gift baked goods. Just buy them from the store and put a ribbon on it. Number 8, gift cards with shopping help. Shopping is always better with a friend. A gift card can be a good general gift that's virtually impossible to mess up. Then you can take it up a notch by coming along for the shopping trip so your friend gets the benefit of your company on top of not having to spend their own money. This can be a great gift for hitting those after Christmas sales. Number 9, wine or other special beverages. Just about everyone loves a tasty beverage as a special treat on occasion, or every night. I'm not judging. Either way, a gift of a drink like a good wine, craft brew, single barrel liquor, or a unique soda can be fun. This great option can wow someone that seems to have just about everything and may not want to store even more stuff. You can opt to buy them more of a beverage that you know they would love, or you can hunt down something new and interesting for them to try. Number 10, a gift receipt. If after all of this you still don't have a good idea, just gift them something thoughtful from someplace that has a quick, easy, and generous return policy. Make sure the gift receipt is easy to find in the package. And if you're really worried that the gift might not excite the recipient, also include a thoughtful card with the present. That way your words can do the talking that maybe your gift can't. While that French vanilla wooden wick candle is amazing and even crackles like a fire, it can't say I love you better than some of your own handwriting. These 10 gifts will help you find that perfect something when you have no idea what to buy. Now that you know what to get those special people in your life, here's another tip to make the most of your holiday budget. Retail Me Not is the ultimate destination for saving money whether you shop online or in a store. They even have gift guides that pair perfect gift ideas with applicable coupons to save you money during the holiday season. With thousands of coupon deals and cashback offers, Retail Me Not makes it easy to save on everything you need, like clothing, beauty, travel, food, and even prescription drugs. Retail Me Not's free browser extension Genie automatically finds and applies coupon codes and cashback offers for you at checkout, so you never have to search for deals ever again. Install Retail Me Not's Genie for free by clicking the link in the description box or by heading over to retailmenot.com/genie and start saving instantly on everything you need this holiday season. Thank you so much for watching and bearing with my Christmas sweater. Be sure to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and tune in here every single Friday for new episodes of The Lifestyle Fix. See you next week.